Firstly, a grand good morning to one and all out there. I know you all might be wondering what's this video for. So let me tell you that we are here on the behalf of Skill Development Club, which is running under the guidance of TPO. In no time, the committee got formed under the guidance of TPO, and here are we with a great energy and expect you all to have the same. See, guys, knowing others can be intelligence, but knowing yourself is true wisdom. Mastering others can be a strength, but mastering yourself is a true power. And that's what we aim here at the Skill Development Club. Mastering ourselves. It's our TPO's aim to construct our personalities in such a way that we stand unique in this outside world. Let's start constructing our personality. Let's giving it a shape. Let's design it in such a way that we all stand unique and excellent in this outside competitive world.
Very true, Shreyash. So we are going to conduct a series of activities which will groom our personalities. And one of it is our first activity, which is the most likely asked question by the interviewer. That is, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. So before we start, there are some important points which you got to keep in mind. And some of them are as follows. So I will start with point number 0, which is to be yourself. So please do not try to fake anything. Keep things real, as simple as that. Then moving on to point number 1, present clear and precise points. See, do not use long and unnecessary sentences. Rather, you can use short and crisp sentences which are easy to understand. And the ideal time span for your introduction would be something in between 60 to 100 seconds, which is more than enough. Then point number 2, only tell about the things that you are confident about. So you don't have to speak about anything which you don't have sound knowledge about. Okay. Then moving on to point number 3, don't overexpose yourself and speak only what is necessary. So be very specific and target only what is relevant to the company. See, the recruiters are not interested in your family members or what your parents do for a living. Uh, it is not relevant to them unless you are specifically asked this question by them. So speak only relevant stuff. Then moving on to point number 4, try not to use negative aspects in your introduction. So what do I mean by negative aspects? See, more often than not, we end up using sentences like I'm a little emotional or I'm a little weak or I'm a little lazy. So even though these are honest statements about you, they display a negative trait about you. So please try not to use them in your intro. And then moving on to point number 5, while giving introduction, start with your name and technical background. And once you're done with it, you can move on to skills, courses, and certifications. And after that, you can simply share your volunteer experiences or if you have held any positions of responsibility in the past and what you got to learn from those experiences which are going to be valuable for the company. And to end your introduction, you can simply tell the recruiter that how you can be valuable to the company or simply how you are an ideal candidate for the role. That goes a long way. And our last point, which is point number 6, be professional. Remember that you are not talking to a friend and you are talking to a recruiter. So try to sound as professional as you can and maintain a decent body language and you can simply use hand gestures to sound more convincing and confident, and that will go a long way. And make sure that you are sitting in a proper attire. Try to dress up in formals, which will leave a very good impression. So that's it for now. And before I end this video, I will just say that keep it simple, keep it authentic, and half of the work is done there itself. So we are sure that you are going to enjoy all these activities and you will have a lot of fun. So stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.